Hey everyone, hopping on here for Tuesday Talks again. Today we're going to talk about meal prep for postpartum recovery. If you're planning, if you're one of those people that gets the chance to plan your pregnancy, I would also suggest meal planning before your first trimester so that first trimester goes a little better when you're not feeling well. But you guys still need to eat dinner, or your partner needs to eat dinner, or you want to have options available to you, but your energy is low, your time is low, and you're not feeling 100% yourself. Being able to pull something out of the freezer and throw it in the oven or the crock pot or whatever is really fabulous. So back to meal prepping for postpartum recovery in your second or third trimester, whenever you get around to it, right? Taking some time to plan meals, freezer meals for the next 4 weeks post-birth is going to be something that's going to improve your postpartum recovery as well as your experience, because eating is essential, but when you have a new baby, there's so much going on. You have pediatrician visits, you might be having lactation consultant visits, you might be going to see your OB, you've got family coming, but you're also recovering physically and emotionally and mentally from birth and from transitioning to pregnant, we're having a baby, to our baby is here, now what do we do? There's so much going on, but you still need to eat, and it can be hard to find time in the day to feed your baby every few hours, get a shower, get a nap, do the laundry, do the house chores, all of that stuff that needs to go on, but also getting healthy meals that are going to nourish you and support your recovery postpartum, as well as allow your partner to have access to easy dinner things they can throw in the oven, or food that they need, whatever that looks like for you guys. So I always suggest, picking 4 to 6 meals that you love and tripling them or whatever until you get enough meals to kind of cover you for the first 4 weeks postpartum, so that you can focus on bonding with your baby, getting to know your baby, and really experiencing life as a family with this new baby. So just one of my little tips for making postpartum recovery better. Thanks for watching.